He was an American professional baseball player who became the first African American to play in Major League Baseball in the modern era. He broke the baseball color line when he started at first base for the Brooklyn Dodgers on April 15, 1947. His spouse was born on 19 July 1922. Spouse Rachel is a former professor, registered nurse, and the widow of professional baseball player. Brother Mac was an American track and field athlete. He is best known for winning a silver medal in 1936 Summer Olympics, where he broke the Olympic record in 2000 meter. His son named Jackie Robinson Jr. His daughter named Sharon Robinson, midwife. MLB also adopted a new annual tradition, Jackie Robinson Day. He had a brother, Frank Robinson. Brother Edgar Robinson is the oldest brother, took over the father role in the family. Son Davidson is a farmer. He had a sister, Willa Mae Robinson. His father named Jerry Robinson. He was married to Rachel Robinson from 1946 until his death. His mother name Mary Robinson. He had 3 children, Sharon, David and Jackie Jr. He had an estimated net worth of $6 million. After Robinson's father left the family in 1920, they moved to California. The extended Robinson family established itself on the residential plot containing 2 small houses at 121 Pepper Street. His mother worked various odd jobs to support the family. In 1935, he graduated from Washington Junior High School and enrolled at John Muir High School. After his discharge, he briefly returned to his old football club, the Los Angeles Bulldogs. Robinson once told future Hall of Fame inductee Hank that the game of baseball is great, but the greatest thing is what you do after your career is over. He was born on Jan 31st, 1919, into a family of sharecroppers in the Cairo, Georgia. He was the youngest of 5 children born to Mary and Jerry. His middle name was in honor of former President Theodore, who died 25 days before Robinson was born. He was inducted into the Baseball Hall of Fame in 1962. During his 10-year MLB career, he won the inaugural Rookie of the Year award in 1947, was an All-Star for the 6 consecutive seasons from 1949 through 1954, and won the National League Most Valuable Player award in 1949, the first black player so honored. He played in 6 World Series and contributed to the Dodgers' 1955 World Series championship. In 1997, MLB retired his uniform number 42 across all major league teams. Robinson in his army uniform, 1943, during a visit to his home. He in uniform for the Kansas City Monarchs. Robinson playing in Montreal. Cover of Jackie Robinson comic book, issued number 5, 1951. In the 1960s, he helped establish the Freedom National Bank. His wife accepted the Congressional Gold Medal. Memorial in the Jackie Robinson Rotunda inside Citi Field, dedicated April 15, 2009. Lobby card for the Jackie Robinson story, 1950.